Hello, my name is Rishabh Shah. This is the project one for electromechanical robotic systems, wherein we had to create a SOS signal using Arduino and breadboard connection system. I have five LEDs over here that are connected to five 220 ohm resistors. These are five jumper wires that I've connected to the digital side of pins 9 to 13. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the connection of the circuit is such that these wires are connected to 9 to 13. Then all the five LEDs are in parallel and they are in series with the resistors. And then we have one cable that is connected to the grounding, which is in connection to directly with the resistors. um, this is how the circuit is designed. It's a very simple circuit. Now I'll show you how it's working. So I'm gonna connect it to my laptop. Yes, and we had to provide a SOS signal using Morse code. So that is three dots S, three dashes O, and three dots S again. So for three dots, I've used 300 milliseconds. So it is on for 300 milliseconds, then off for 300 milliseconds again. And this happens three times. Then it's for three dashes, it's uh, on for 900 milliseconds and then off for 900 milliseconds, which happens thrice. And then again for S, it's the same, 300 milliseconds on, 300 milliseconds off. So you can see it's happening here. And once the SOS is completed, there is a pause for about 2 seconds in between each loop. um, and once each loop is completed, we have a print over here that says SOS signal. So that kind of gives an idea that the system is working. So for going towards the code, what I've done is I've created and I've introduced LED as a variable for these nine for these five pins which are introduced in an array. Then in my setup, I have pin mode command for all the five LEDs, which actually provide me with the output. Then I've created the void loop in which I've created for loop. So this is the bigger for loop in which I have introduced the integer I, because I need three. I needed to blink three times uh, for a period of 300 milliseconds. That is why I have this I, and then then I have J introduced, which is for all the five LEDs. So if we go up here, that J works for that particular system. And then the digital write command actually uh, provides the Arduino with the command of the LED needs to be high, that is on, and that is for a period of 300 milliseconds. And then again it turns off for a period of 300 milliseconds for all the five LEDs. So that gives me, and this runs for a cycle of three times because of this for loop. Once that is completed, then S is that indicates S. Then it goes to O, which is a similar code again, but here the timing is 900 milliseconds because we have to indicate O. So it's three dashes. That is why we have 900 milliseconds. And again, it's the same digital write command, high and low. Then we have S again, which also happens for a cycle of three times. That is three dots. And again, we have a period of 300 milliseconds for which it is on and 300 off. So that is how it works. Then after this is over, there is a delay of 2000 milliseconds, that is 2 seconds, in which the system pauses and then it again starts in the loop. And there is a serial print command that prints SOS signal. So I will again, like, to conclude, show how it's working. 3 times dot, 3 times dash, 3 times dot again, and then pause, and then again start. So that is that provides me with the SOS signal. So